Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's gonna be a spring tag. So for today's video, it's gonna be a spring tag. I was tagged by Shaun Beauty. Okay, she has a beauty online store, and she's also a YouTuber, and she has been an amazing great supporter of my channel, and she's an amazing person. Please, you all check out her channel. I'll put the name of her channel on the screen for you guys to know. Please do visit her and subscribe to her. Please support her as well, also in her business, SHAUNZ Beauty. All right, she tagged me to do this particular video, which so before we jump right into that, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, do not forget to subscribe, please, and do turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, we're going to jump right into this video. Number one, it says favorite spring nail polish. I'll say I don't really have a particular one. I'm not that kind of a person that goes about my favorite color of this season, my favorite color of that season. Lately I've been feeling more of a neutral kind of shade. Please don't mind this nail. We can't go out now, and this is what I have going on right now. So lately I've been feeling more of neutral shade, and that is what I have on at the moment. So I'm not really particular about picking colors when it comes to different season. And number two question says, what is your most have lip color this spring? I have none. I just pick whatever color that I like any particular season we have. I don't go by the season as well, just like my new color. So I go with whatever flow, whatever I feel like, that's what I pick to use any season. Like this lipstick I have on, when I was doing my face this morning, I just thought about popping in this color on my lip. This lipstick is by LA Color. It's I bought it $1 in the Dollar Tree General. Dollar General, that's where I bought this lipstick from. It is a duo. It has a lip gloss under here. It has lip gloss under here, and it has lip gloss and it has lipstick, and that is what I'm wearing today. And I bought it for one. If I feel like wearing something plumby, this is by Estee Lauder, I might pop it this on. And if I just feel like going very super neutral, this is by MAC, I'll just pop this on. Like, I'm more of glossy person, I'll say. When it's matte, I still want to put a little gloss on it to make it shine, but once in a while I do wear matte just like that. But when it comes to picking color for a particular shade for a particular season, now I don't really do it. All right, so number three says, show us your favorite spring dress. Just go with what I have right on, because it has a little bit of flowery, because I know when it comes to spring, most of people tend to wear flowery material, which once in a while I do have a couple in my wardrobe, in my closet, but I just don't tend to. I tend to wear whatever I want, anytime, any day. So I can just go for this one that I have on right now. I'll say, okay, something like this, because this has a little bit of flowery and something like that. That would be my kind of favorite spring dress. All right, number four, what's your favorite flower? I don't have none. I just don't have no favorite flower, but I'll say rose. I like rose because I get to grow up with a song that says roses are red, violets are blue. So I'll say rose, yes, and anyone that smells good, I'll take it. I don't have a favorite. Number five, favorite spring scarf or accessories. Yeah, accessories, I don't have favorites. I put in whatever color that goes with my outfit. I just pop it on and out, I'm gone. Number six, what's your spring trend you are most excited about? None. I don't have a spring trend. I don't follow trend all the time. I go with the flow, with whatever that suits me at that particular point in time. That's what I put on. Number seven, favorite spring candle. I have none. No, I do have candles at home that once in a while, if I need some kind of fresh aroma around me, then I'll just light it up, like vanilla kind of smell. That's the kind of smell I go for. scent. Let me put like a vanilla kind of scent. That's what I go for. I don't really have a particular one in mind that I have to, but sometimes once in a while I'll go for cinnamon depending on my mood. So I have a couple of candles at home, but I don't have a favorite. I just go with the flow as usual. Number 8, favorite body spray or perfume for spring. I have none. I have a lot of perfumes. I use them year round. I don't attach a particular one to a particular season. No, I just go with whatever I feel like. I pick it up on my dresser and I just go like pam pam and I'm good to go. I don't attach it to a particular season. I use the same perfume year round, the same brand year round. Number 8, favorite body no, number 9, sorry. Number 9, what is spring like where you are, where you live? Okay, spring where I am right now, it's been up and down. Like I don't even know if we're still in winter, we're in spring. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's warm. Like it's just like that, you never can tell. I call this weather bipolar. Like you just have to have a particular sort of like sweater or jacket in your car. Just make sure you have it around you, because you never can tell what the weather will be like. By the time you step out, it's switched up on you and become warm, then you can dress down, and it's switch up again, it become cold, then you just put in your jacket to layer it up, to layer your outfit up. That's the way I've been going. Like right now, it look a little bit warm outside when I step out of the house before I came to shoot this video, but you never can tell what the weather is right now. So spring here is still like in the middle of winter, something like that. It's still a little bit cold. All right, so what is your favorite thing about spring? My favorite thing about spring is I'm a winter person. Let me first of all say that I love the cold weather. So when we're going into spring, I start to think that we're going into summer soon and it's going to be hot. So I don't actually look forward to leaving the winter behind. I know it's crazy, but that's the kind of person I am. I prefer the cold weather, because one thing with me, I believe when it's cold, all you need to do is to dress warm. Like you layer your outfit up and you will be good to go. You can even accessorize it and make you look stylish. But when it's hot, you cannot go naked out there. So really, I'm just gonna say with this, what is my favorite things about spring? I would just say the beautiful flowers, you know, the colors that you see here and there. Yeah, that's all. It's not that it's my favorite, but that's what I can just say about it. So number 11 says, are you a spring cleaner? No, I'm not a spring cleaner. Like I hardly do all those we are cleaning for spring. No, I hardly do it. I am not. No. Then my last question is, any plan for spring break or an upcoming vacation? Yes, I'm very due for vacation. The last time I went for one was like a year, going to 2 years now. That I went to Vegas for my birthday, and that was the only vacation I've had so far. I wanted to have to go, but due to some kind of moving around and some kind of changes to our family, work and all that, I couldn't go. I actually planned to go for some this year, but guess what, we've been locked down. So I don't even know when I'm going to have my next vacation, but I'm looking forward to having some nice vacation towards the end of the year, hopefully by the grace of God. So this is the end of this tag, the spring tag that was tagged by Shaun Beauty. So I hope you all enjoy getting to know me better. I would say maybe because I was born and raised in Africa, I grew up in Africa. I was a grown woman before I came to this country. So all these questions when it comes to spring and this and that, I don't really have that opportunity where I come from, so I don't really know much about all that. But this is just me telling you that for real. I'm an African woman born and raised, so I chose, when she tagged me, I said I was going to do it anyway because I saw the question, but I want to oblige to tagging and to tell her that I appreciate it, so I decided to shoot it. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thought about this video, and I guess I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.